If the YouTube TV app won't open on your device, stuck on a black screen, loading forever, or crashing immediately, you can fix it with a few simple steps. Here's how to get the app working again. Start by restarting your device. Whether you're using a smart TV, Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, or phone, a full reboot clears temporary glitches that stop the app from opening. Next, check your internet connection. Slow or unstable Wi-Fi can prevent the app from loading. Restart your router or switch to a 5 GHz network if available. YouTube TV requires a stable connection to start properly. If the app still won't open, force close and relaunch it. Smart TVs, press home and reopen app mobile. Swipe up and remove app from recent apps, Roku or Fire Stick. Press home repeatedly and reopen. Now update the YouTube TV app. Open your device's App Store, search for YouTube TV, and select Update if available. Outdated versions often fail to open. Clear the app cache. Android TV or Fire Stick. Clear cache. Roku. Restart using Remote Sequence iPhone or Apple TV. Reinstall the app. If the app still won't open, reinstall it completely. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.